get these two to go in, but this one is, you can see. Hi, welcome back. I'm gonna go ahead and apologize up front for this video. I may only have enough time to put a little paint on that and paint the top of the bed here. I'm really pressed for time tonight, so that's all I plan on doing. But if I have a little extra time, we may jump back and kind of detach that door pillar and attach it with the back and put it back on it and kind of zip it down where it's more secure. We might do that tonight. But as far as I know, we're going to clean these off, spray a little bit of rust preventative on the bed and a little bit of etching primer on the top of the bed here. Bed rail, that's what I call it. But yeah, if we have enough time, we'll mess with the door pillar, driver's side, take it off, put the backing plate on it, put it back on there, and really put, 6 or 8 screws in it, just to kind of get it where it's secured against the kick panel so it won't tend to move with the door. Well, with that being said, let's hop over here and start painting. And it's not pretty short, so I'm gonna go ahead and kind of repaint this through here because kind of goofed it up right here. But I'm only gonna paint to about right here and just under the sand line here, so just this little area. So it shouldn't take too long. And then we're gonna use some self-etching primer, starting from here, going all the way to the front. We're gonna try to get this a good coat, so we don't have to worry about it anymore. And we got time. May take this fender off, take this door pillar off, and attach this to it and zip it back down and make it more secure than just two tech screws. But anyways, let's head over here and start painting. All right, so what that turned out like, I don't think it looks half bad. Dents don't even look too terrible. So that one's gonna show up pretty good. But thought I'd leave enough to sand on, so I'm not sanding over the paint again. We kind of fixed that, but I need to continue on this way next time, maybe. Really need to start thinking about how to fix that. But regardless, we'll get it done. This turned out a lot better than I thought. It's only slightly tiger striped. You can see running right through there. But I'm starting to really like this color. Self-etching green. See, pretty big dent here. Got a little dent there, but I think it came out pretty clean. Really happy with it. It's not too bad. I think we got enough time. We'll head over to the door pillar and start reattaching it more secure. Well, I tried. Get these two to go in, but this one is, you can see, I took all the screws out, and to get it to go down, it has to be separated. So these right here are hitting the inside of this for it to go anywhere close to where I need. And it's on all the brackets. Unless this thing is supposed to tweak way back this way. But no, I'm not sure. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. For now, I gotta get the hinges anyways. But, oh well, it was worth a shot. I think that'll do it for me tonight. Sorry about a super short video. Like I said, I'm kind of pressed on time this week. But we did get that painted, which looks really good. I'm liking how that's turning out. Just can't wait to get the rest of it looking that color. And self-etch powder on the top part. Now the passenger side bed, got that done, and I like how that's looking too. Messed with door pillow a little bit more, if you saw, but I don't know what needs to happen. If y'all have any ideas, please let me know. Waiting on door hinges, they should be coming in soon. Waiting on a response, still see if I got a guy. If a guy can come help me, place them and get everything gapped right, and then I can weld it in. Be no big deal, but gotta call out to him, and I'll let you know when I hear from him. But other than that, I think next time, I got a cat down here, Chester again. I think next time we'll either sand the rest of the body bed on this side, or we may switch to the top rail on this side and get our driver's side that side, and get that done. We may start painting the inner fender on the passenger side, all stuff we welded in, getting that all sanded down, ground down, sanded down, and painted, because it's starting to flash rust too, so we need to get that taken care of. But other than that, I'm gonna keep on going. Keep on sanding this bed down. It's going to take me a while to get through it, but we'll do a little bit of sanding bed and then do a little bit of something else. I don't want to make, 15 videos of me sanding the bed down and painting it. So that is gonna take some time. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, what it's about, and I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If you like this kind of stuff, please like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna keep on going. Hopefully have it back on the road soon. But anyways, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.